Today we are transforming this area of reeds inspired by Secret to the Bees into some lovely wildflowers. We have mixes and varieties for all the bees to enjoy at this time of year. So let's get started! Cut down most of the foliage now, so all that's left to do is to pull out the roots, churn up the soil and plant our wildflowers. Okay, so Dad's finished churning up the soil, so it's ready to plant our wildflowers. And we do have a mixture for different types of bees. So delphiniums, all bees love them, and the bumblebees too. And then we have mixtures of wildflowers, lots of wildflowers, sunflowers, all bees love sunflowers. And fur bees, also known as lamb's ears. Now they're great for the wool carder bees. They're actually vital for them. And other solitary bees too. And then we have this one, which is a pollinator, also known as lungwort. Now this is perfect for the hairy-footed flower bees, one of the only plants that they really like. So we're going to plant these right behind me, and we're going to hopefully, fingers crossed, see them go and have even more bees coming. Dad forgot to put the mic on, and we just forgot to put a trench in. So we've just dug a trench now for some drainage. Now we can put in the wildflowers. Let's get going. Okay, well that's it. We've planted all the wildflower seeds, added the mini plants that are about to grow. We've watered them, and fingers crossed all the best for them, and hopefully very soon they'll start flowering and we'll see some amazing wildlife here. We'll keep you updated to see how they're doing. And remember, stay glide. You'll never know what you'll find.